Hey guys, it's Namhee. Just back to do another basic tutorial. Well, not basic. Just like a normal neutral smoky eye. Knowing me, it's probably going to be dark, but we'll see how this goes. So I've already moisturized the NYX again. I really like this one. It's thick, so it's full coverage. Synthetic brush. And then just buff it in. I definitely feel like with thicker foundations, it's easier to use a brush. I mean, I love using a beauty blender or a sponge, but I like using this to buff it into the skin. My face, my skin is so dry, like thirsty. This one is the Makeup Revolution Concealer. Let's go in. I would use my beauty blender, but it's not wet and I don't want to get up. So, there. For me, I like doing my brows first because then I can kind of see how I do my eyes. So I'm taking the Anastasia pomade in dark brown. Like, brows are my favorite, but then they're also like a fucking pain. I know brows are supposed to be sisters. No, I want that shit to look like twins. As natural as possible. And I guess for me, I like the ombre brow look. So it's lighter in the front and then it gets dark. The tail of your brow should always be the darkest part. So I just go under and just follow underneath like that. Go over on the top. And just blend it out. If you didn't know, the ring finger is your most softest, the lightest touch. So that's why you see a lot of people using their ring finger to blend. I'm just setting my eyelid. I also lightly tap it into my hairs. Set my eyebrows, because eyebrows do get greasy. Then I just go and kind of define the crease a little bit. And put some more dimension in it. Doing makeup on monolids or no eyelid is really hard because you don't have a crease, and usually with the crease it's easy to just put color there to make a smoky eye, but with Asian eyes or with hooded eyes, monolid eyes, you have to make your own crease. It down this way because I don't have a bridge on my nose, so this just helps like contour. Okay, so we have like a crease color, lid color, or where my crease would be. You can usually find it like where your eye socket is. Like, blending takes a long time. Half of the makeup I feel like is blending. A little bit darker shade. So I'm just pushing it in downwards and then flicking it out. I also try to flick it out at the end. So it's a little bit more blended. And then go towards the lash line and make the outer V a little bit darker. See, I swear, nothing looks good until you put lashes on. I hate that. The process of doing makeup, you look fucking crazy and like you want to quit, but don't quit. Make it a little bit darker in the crease. Okay, I said this was going to be a little smoky, like simple smoky eyed. Where am I going? For real, where am I going? But smoky eyes are my go-to. It's my favorite. Smoky eye, nude lip. My favorite go-to look. I don't even know how many of these little pots I've gone through of eyeliner. Because most of the time you see me out, I got some thick eyeliner on. Winged eyeliner is my favorite. Everything that's my favorite also pisses me off. Like my eyebrows piss me off, my eyeliner pisses me off, my lashes piss me off. All very close to the lash line, like that. And then I just push the inside in and then connect the end probably to like the middle of my eye. Do you see, like right there? And then I stop because it opens my eye up and it doesn't close it out. Does everyone make this face? I don't know why everyone does that. Try doing it without. Feels weird. And just kind of smoke out the bottom. And it's funny, I have more lashes on my bottom lashes than I do on the top. So just put mascara on your real lashes and put them to your fake ones. Make my face. And just go over my forehead. I feel like this is always important. Bring it all the way down. Okay, all done. And this is the final look. Just kidding. Favorite YSL lipstick, and number 2. This one is super nude. Hey everyone, this is the final look. Smoky eye, nude lip, highlight, ready to go out. I hope you like this tutorial and I will see you on my next one.